Hey guys, welcome to Cutesy Drawings. Today I'll be drawing lowercase p from alphabet lore. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. With this drawing, I'll be erasing some lines, so I'd recommend drawing in a pencil first. Okay, let's start off with a long line down on the left side. Then on the bottom, let's draw another line down on the right. And now let's connect them at the bottom with a curve. Next, let's hop back up to the top and let's curve it over to the right like this. And then let's curve it down and back in to form the shape of the P. And that's it for the shape of the letter P. Let's move up and draw the eyes next. Let's start inside in the top here and let's draw an angled square shape. And now inside, let's add another rounded square shape on the bottom right. And then let's color it in black. Next, let's move over and draw the right eye. Let's start with an angle up, an angle down at the end, bring it back in, and then one more curve up to the other eye. Next, let's erase that overlapping line inside. Now inside on the bottom right, let's add another square shape. And then let's color this one in black as well. Next, for the eyes, let's add the eyelashes. On the top right, let's draw a curve up and curve it back in and color the inside black. And now let's do one more underneath. And now the same thing on the left eye. And that's it for the eyes. Next, let's add the mouth. Underneath the right eye, let's draw a curve down here. And one last curve on the end. And that's it for lowercase p. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!